Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Metamask and verify your extension or mobile app is updated. Never share your 12-word seed phrase or private key with sites or people. If you do not see Polygon, add it as a custom RPC using chain ID 137, RPC URL https://Polygon RPC. Com, Symbolmatic, and Block Explorer https://Polygon Skin. Com. Fund the wallet with Matic using an exchange or bridge. Expect typical gas between and depending on congestion. Keep a small ETH balance if you may need Ethereum mainnet interactions. Navigate to play. Sandbox. Game or the official The Sandbox site and click Connect Wallet. Pick Metamask from the options. Metamask will prompt you to select an account and approve connection access. Approve only the account you control. You will then sign a minimal authentication message. This signature proves ownership and does not cost gas. When the Sandbox prompts, switch Metamask to the Polygon network you added earlier so the site reads your assets, land, and sand balances correctly without requiring Ethereum mainnet gas. To purchase land or NFTs in the Sandbox, click Buy or Place Bid and confirm the transaction in Metamask. Polygon transactions typically cost 2 and confirm fast versus Ethereum. When prompted for token approvals, prefer limited approvals or single-use approvals. After purchase, use a wallet manager to revoke unlimited approvals to reduce long-term risk. Always verify collection and contract addresses on Polygon Scan and never approve transactions that request transfer of your entire wallet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.